Good morning students. Hope you all are good and safe at home. We are doing trigonometric functions. In previous video, we learned 6 formulas of addition and subtraction. 2 formulas for sine, 2 for cos and 2 for tangent. That means sin A plus B or sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B and tan of A minus B. Now, let's do some question based on these formulas. Let's do this question. We need to show tan 13a minus tan 9a minus tan 4a is equals to multiplication of all 3 trigonometric ratios, tan 13a, tan 9a and tan 4a. But you are watching that trigonometric ratio is same. That means tangent is there. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Tangent in all 6 trigonometric ratios that tangent is using. But the angles are different. Here 13a, here 9a, here 4a. And again here 13a, 9a and 4a. The angles are different but the trigonometric ratios are same. Now in this type of question, what we need to take? We need to take any of the trigonometric ratio with an angle. So I am taking here 13a and I am just writing it. I am just segregating the angle as 9 plus 4a. How I am segregating this angle? Even I can write 13a as 11a plus 2a because 11 plus 2 is also 13. But I cannot write here just because of this reason. Because if I am segregating 13a as tan of 9a plus 4a, 9a is also in the question. That means we need to prove. That means in the statement. And 4a is also in the statement. These angles are already present in the statement. Just because of this very reason, I segregated 13a as tan of 9a plus 4a. This is the reason. Even I can take tan of 9a. Tan of 9a, how can I segregate tan 9a? I can write 13a minus 4a. Because from 13a, if I am subtracting 4a, I will get 9a. And 13, 4 and 9a, all 3 angles are present in the statement. So, I need to segregate the angles in those angles which are present in the statement. This is the main thing. So, you can take any of, here I have taken tan of 13a, even you can take tan of 9a and you can segregate as tan of 13a minus 4a. So, it's up to you. So, with your presence of mind or with your choice, the formula will depend. Here I have taken tan 13a which is tan 9a plus 4a. Here the formula of tan a plus b is applicable. If you are taking tan of 9a, you need to take tan of 13a minus 4a. The segregation will become this. So here the formula tan a minus b is applicable. So according to your choice, a formula will be applicable. So you don't need to remember that you always have to take tan of 13a. It's up to you. You can take tan 13a, you can take tan 9a or you can take tan of 4a. Now here formula is applicable. I know it is tan a plus tan b whole upon 1 minus tan a into tan b, and here it is tan 13a. Now this is in division. When it goes to this side, it will come in multiplication with multiplication symbol. So tan 13a multiply 1 minus tan 9a into tan 4a is equals to tan 9a plus tan 4a. Now I will multiply tan 13a inside the bracket. It becomes tan 13a minus tan 13a into tan 9a into tan 4a is equals to tan 9a plus tan 4a. Tan 13a multiply with 1, it becomes tan 13a, and when tan 13a will multiply with this tan 9a into tan 4a, it becomes tan 13a tan 9a into tan 4a. Now tan 13a, I am writing it as it is. Now tan 9a, it is with plus sign. When it comes to this side, it becomes with negative sign, and here tan 4a is also with positive sign. When it comes to this side, it becomes negative tan 4a, and this term is with negative sign. When it goes to other side, it becomes positive and but you are watching that this is the thing, this is the statement that you wanted to prove. Tan 13a minus tan 9a minus tan 4a is equals to multiplication of all three, tan 13a tan 4a into tan 9a. So this is the same thing that we wanted to prove. Hope the question is interesting and it is easy and you understand the question well. Now let's do one more question, the same question actually I am taking. Now if I am having the same type of question, I am taking 75 tan 75 minus tan 30 minus tan 75 into tan 30 is equals to 1. Now we need to prove this thing. We need to prove this is equals to 1. Now of course I need to take one angle and we need to segregate that angle. So if I am taking tan 75, so 75 another angle is 30. First angle is 75, another angle is 30. So can I segregate it as 30, and of course we need to add 45 and 30, then we can get 75 as an angle. So of course I know that 30 is already available in the statement, but 45 is not available. But you know that tan 45's value is 1. So of course the another thing is tan 30's value we already know, but in statement the author doesn't want the value of tan 30. He is saying there are two angles, one is 75 and another is 30. So I have taken 75, so I need to segregate 75. So I am segregating into 30 plus, of course 45 I need. Whenever I will add 30 plus 45, then I will get 75. So by this way I have taken 45. As it was not available in the statement, even then I have taken 45 because it is only possible whenever we will add 45 in 30, then we can get 75. So here a plus tan of a plus b's formula is applicable. It is tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b, and here it is 75. Now but you are watching when in statement tan 75 is there, tan 30 is there, but tan 45 is not there. That means we need to substitute the value of tan 45. Well, we have the value of tan 30 as well, we can substitute, but we need to prove this thing where tan 30 is tan 30 only. We cannot, we don't have to substitute the value of tan 30. So this is the reason that I am writing tan 30 as it is, but I am just substituting the value of tan 45, which is 1. So tan 30 plus 1, 1 minus tan 30 into 1 is tan 30, because tan 45 is 1, tan 30 into 1 is tan 30, and here it is tan 75. Now of course it is in division. When it goes to this side, it will come with multiplication symbol. So tan 30 plus 1, tan 75 multiplied by 1, it becomes tan 75 minus tan 75 into tan 30 is equals to tan 30 plus 1. And when tan 30 will come to this side, it becomes with negative symbol. So this is the same thing that we wanted to prove. Tan 75 minus tan 30. Here it is plus tan 30. When it goes to this side, it becomes minus tan 30. And minus of tan 75, tan 30 is equals to 1. Hope the question is clear to you. Let's do another question. Now the other question is, we need to prove tan 50 is equals to tan 40 plus 2 tan 10. Of course we need to take any of the angle with tan, so I am taking tan 50, and after segregation it becomes tan of 40 plus 10, because these three angles are already available in the statement, 50, 40 and 10. Now here tan A plus B's formula is applicable, which is tan A plus tan B 1 minus tan A equals to tan 50. Now it will multiply with tan 50. So I am just directly multiplying with it. So tan 50 into minus tan 50 minus tan 50 into the whole thing. It becomes tan 50 multiply tan 40 multiply tan 10 is equals to tan 40 degree plus tan 10. Now, but we want to prove tan 50, it's already available. Tan 40, it's already available. Tan 10, it is 2 times of tan 10. It's only possible when tan 10 plus tan 10 is there. That means one tan 10 is there, but we need another tan 10 in addition. So this thing that we don't know, we don't want this thing. So what I am going to do is, can I write tan 50 as 90 minus 40, 50? Can I segregate 50 as 90 minus 40? It is tan 40 into tan 10 and the same thing, tan 40 plus tan 10. Now, tan in terms of 90. Of course, whenever the angle in terms of 90, then tan will change into cot. It becomes cot 40. And 90 minus is the first quadrant, and in first quadrant every trigonometric ratio is positive. So here cot will positive, so plus minus, because negative sign is already out. So plus minus minus cot 40 into tan 40 into tan 10 is equals to tan 40 plus tan 10. Now, can I write as cot 40 as 1 by tan 40? Tan 50 minus 1 by tan 40 into tan 40 into tan 10 is equals to tan 40 plus tan 10. Of course, tan 40 will cancel out with tan 40, minus tan 10 is there. When it goes to that side, it becomes plus tan 10. Tan 50 is equals to tan 40 plus tan 10 plus tan 10. Of course, what we wanted to prove, now it is proved. Tan 10 plus tan 10 is nothing, it is 2 tan 10. Now, tan 50 is equals to tan 40 plus 2 tan 10. Thus proved. Hope this question is clear to you. Let's do another question. Now the next question is, we need to prove sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equals to sin 2x into sin 10x. Now this question is very easy, because we can apply the formula, this formula directly. What is the formula? This is a new formula for you. What is the formula? Sin square a minus sin square b is equals to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. It is sort of related with algebraic formula, a square minus b square. It is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So this is sort of the same formula, but this is with trigonometric ratio. Sin square a minus sin square b is equals to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So here what is a? Of course, a is 6x and b is 4x. So I can directly apply the formula sin of a plus b, 6x plus 4x into 6x minus 4x. So it becomes sin of 10x into sin of 2x that we wanted to prove. So after application of this formula, after applying this formula, the question becomes very easy, because we know a is 6x here and b is 4x. Let's do one more question. When in place of sine we have cos, then in that case what we need to do? Now the question is cos square 2x it is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x we need to prove sine 4x into sine 8x. Sine 4x into sine 8x. Now, of course we know this is the formula, right? We have the formula in sine. Sine square A minus sine square B. But we are going to do, we are taking left hand side. What is left hand side? Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. And we know the cos square is 1 minus sine square. Here identity can be applicable. Cos square A is equals to 1 minus sine square A. And again here I can apply the property 1 minus sine square 6x. The main thing is angle. Here the angle is 2x, here the angle is 6x. Now negative sign is outside. So when it goes to inside, the inside terms symbol, term sign will change. It becomes minus 1 plus sine square 6x. 1 will cancel out with 1. So what I will get? It becomes sine square 6x minus sine square 2x. Because sine square 6x is with plus sign and sine square 2x with negative sign. Of course, now the formula is applicable. It becomes sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I will get sine of 8x into sine of 4x. That we wanted to prove. Hope the question is clear. Let's do one last question. So the next question is we need to show cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x. Cot 3x into cot x is equals to 1. So I am taking of course left hand side. So cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. Now, what you are watching that even we can take the common from very first two terms, or we can take from the common from the last two terms. So, cot x as cos by sin x into cos 2x upon sin 2x. Negative sign is common, and also cot 3x I can take common. And inside cot 2x plus cot x. Because I have already taken negative sign out, so it becomes positive. Cot 2x plus cot x. So it is cos x into cos 2x whole upon sin x into sin 2x. Now cot as cos by sin, and inside bracket we are having cos 2x upon sin 2x plus cos x whole upon sin x. Now can we take LCM? Now it is cos x into cos 2x whole upon sin x into sin 2x minus, as it is, cos 3x upon sin 3x. Now we take LCM. In denominator we'll have sin 2x into sin x. Now cos 2x will multiply with sin x and cos x will multiply with sin 2x. Now here what you are watching, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a plus b's formula is applicable. Rest thing we are going to write as it is, cos x into cos 2x whole upon sin x into sin 2x minus cos 3x whole upon sin 3x, and inside the bracket here the formula is applicable, sin a plus b, which is sin 2x plus x whole upon sin 2x into sin x. Now I am just removing the question just because we need to prove it is equals to 1. Now what you are watching, here it becomes sin 3x, it is sin 3x. Both can cancel. Now, in denominator we are having sin x into sin 2x. Here we are having sin 2x into x, sin x. That means the same denominator we are having. That means can I write sin 2x into sin x? And here we are having cos x into cos 2x minus cos of 3x. Now, can I write cos 3x as cos of x plus 2x? I segregated 3x as x plus 2x, which is already available. So x plus 2x is equals to 3x. So cos a plus b's formula is applicable. Denominator I am writing as it is. Cos x into cos 2x, negative sign out. It is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b whole upon sin 2x into sin x. Of course, negative sign is out, so when it goes to inside, it becomes positive, and cos x into cos 2x, both are the same terms, we can cancel it out. Now we are having sin x into sin 2x whole upon sin 2x into sin x. Now we can cancel out sin x with sin x and sin 2x with sin 2x, and it is equals to 1. Hope all the questions are clear. Today's topic was important, so just watch it very carefully, the video, watch it very carefully. If you have any problem in these type of questions, then you can contact us. Till then, stay home and be happy. Thank you so much.